Today I'm going to be looking at this manual coffee grinder. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This is packaged really well to protect it during shipping. And it is heavy. This is metal. In the box, you are going to have a really nice soft brush. This has two ends. There's a harder bristle on one side and a very soft bristle on the other. You're going to have the instruction booklet. You're going to have the handle, and you're going to have the actual coffee grinder itself. This has a little notch here at the top, so that's going to be facing up, and then you have to unscrew this part until it fits inside, and then you screw it tightly back down. It spins really, really smoothly and makes no noise when there are no beans inside. To access the bean bin, you are going to align the handle with this top part and pull the notch off. Then inside, you will see that we can adjust the coarseness of the grind. In the instruction manual, it will tell you what to set it at for different style coffee makers, whether you're using a French press or just a regular coffee pot, for example. Pour your beans into the top and reattach the lid. Spin the handle until you stop hearing it grind coffee beans. It will get completely silent. Once it's done, you're going to pull this down 3 to 5 times. This is the anti-static feature. Look at that. The anti-static feature is really, really cool. I can't say enough about it. I really don't like when coffee grinders get all of the coffee grounds stuck to the inside, and this doesn't do that. Absolutely amazing design. And the grind that I wanted was spot on. I mean, this looks perfect for my regular coffee pot. If you're looking for a no muss, no fuss coffee grinder, this is the one.